Hello. We are outside in the snow. It is in the snow in Antarctica. We are in the Antarctica and we like the penguins. What? I have snow in my pants.
Move. Trash can.
Trash can. Sledding. Fail! Big fat fail.
Sarah.
We are in the Antarctica.
Sarah.
And the polar bears are swarming around us. What?
I might go off the cliff. I slid on purpose.
He hit her in the butt with the snowball and she's crying.